If you're watching this video, you probably own a car, you might own multiple cars, or you're looking to buy a used or a new car. Here at Auto Odometer, we'd like to show you the value of owning, driving, and working on a used car. If you drive a used car for an extended period of time, you can eliminate your car payment and you can free up some cash to be able to pay down some other debts, and I speak from experience. But you may say, owning a used car, that can get expensive. Personally, I've been able to work on my own car without a car payment, and I've been able to save about $800 to $900 through the following examples. So if you're interested in learning how I do this, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification to get notified of all the new videos, and let's get started.